when the Akufo-Addo government promised all students that they are going to give us tablets, and now last week when our headmaster came on assembly, he said they are going to give only the first years. I'm a
Yeah.
Mampusi by tribe.
Oh, okay. So,
See,
are you also
my
staying around
problem,
Boku or you are down here?
see, I'm in WALEWALE.
Oh, okay. All right. Yo, let me hear you.
My problem with John Mahama and his crew is that they are all like building with their foundation. And their party caucus in this Panama is like that. No, their party caucus are like televisions. If you don't use remote and change them, they won't do what you want. See, they are just sitting in their rooms watching TV and heard that the dollar has decreased or something like that, and they are laughing. Not knowing they have caused a big mess in the country. See, my problem is that when the Akufo-Addo government promised all students that they are going to give us tablets, and now last week when our headmaster came on assembly, he said they are going to give only the first years, and I don't understand why.
Please, he said, what did you say?
I said the NPP government promised to, yeah, the NPP government promised to give us each and every student tablet.
Tablet.
Yes, and now they come on power. I think they are trying to squander everything, because what
Oh,
they are now going to do is that they are giving only the first years.
wow.
And you see, yesterday on my way coming from Naliru, when we reached at WALEWALE, a driver and a passenger was having problem because the passenger was an NDC member. So he said that they say the fuel price have decreased. So he's not supposed to pay 30 cedis from Naliru to WALEWALE again. He's supposed to pay 25 Ghana cedis. So
Let me,
the driver,
I beg you, let me say some funny thing this afternoon. A mate slapped some man being in the car today, and the man get down and they say, "Now who need me one? Who say me end this in me?" And now Ochi in phone or say or friend party chairman or friend chairman say, "Oh, because I said what." Mate, I don't see what bottom what car. Me say you assume you.
Ah, Semo. Junior, let me
me,
continue.
since I reported in SHS, I've never heard of PTA dues or PTA bill in the school, if not John Mahama regime. See, some of us, where we are coming from, even 10 pesos, for them to send you Momo to buy like Gary or something like that, it's not there. Oh. Once you get to the school, they will not send you something because you are coming from a poor background.
What class are you
Yes,
in?
I did. Yeah, I mean, SHS 3.
3. Okay. Right now,
Yeah.
your senior brother, I don't have money. So when we close, send me your number. I'll send you 50 cities. Why? So I used to buy Gary. Right now, I'm broke.
Okay, boss.
Yes, I like how you are speaking. I like it when
I
senior
mean,
high school students join.
I will on any day, any time, any second vote for the NPP party. That's why I say all John Mahama and his crew, they are like building without foundation. They don't know where they are going to.
Okay.
And there are people to, anywhere that you go, they are proud of their party. Dollar has decreased and what has happened. Even that only one Bawumia, he was trying to create an economical anchor for the country, which they didn't understand and was saying Bawumia is causing a big mess or something like that. I swear, they will lament. We Ghanaians, we are going to suffer. It's not because I'm a Mampusi and Bawumia is also a Mampusi, but we are all going to suffer.
Okay.
There will be a time that we Ghanaians
I'm
will be
listening.
praying that we Ghanaians will be praying for the days to move fast. Like if they were to be using a remote to change like a movie. We Ghanaians will have been trying to see whether if we can move the days faster. So
Okay.
it will reach on 2028. 7th December for them to vote for Bawumia, because
Right.
what that the NDC government is doing is not good.
Okay. All right. Junior.
Right now, look at the curfew that they've imposed in WALEWALE. If not because Bawumia is not in power or the NPP government is not in power, look at what they are doing.
There's curfew in WALEWALE.
10 o'clock. Yeah, there is still curfew in WALEWALE. 10 o'clock to 5 a.m.
Wow.
And I'm not seeing the reason why it's still there.
The voice, just a quick one. I call you very brilliant. I cannot. I very you say Ghanaians will always say they fast track
Yeah, they
NDC
yes.
with a remote as if they are watching a movie, a
Yes.
nightmare movie. Hey, we are brilliant,
Bars.
Junior. You too.
Bars. Yes, Junior. Yeah.
So like the curfew. Looking at the point, it means we don't. The reason is that we are not having Bawumia, and that's why they've come and imposed this curfew. And I don't blame the NDC. I blame we, the North East region people, because we didn't vote for Bawumia. Me like this, I suffered when I was coming from school. They didn't give me loan fare, so I do post till I reach WALEWALE and vote for Dr. Bawumia and go back to school again.
Which one is post?
But like as I was not having a lorry fare, so I get motor from Nalego, so I come to Langinsi.
Oh, okay.
And that man drops me there. So I get
Oh.
another motor. I get another leave
Oh, okay.
from
Okay,
Langinsi
lift.
to WALEWALE and vote
Oh, okay.
and go back. So like the curfew, look at what they are doing in Binduri, Zebela and the coup. They haven't imposed curfew there, but because Bawumia is coming from WALEWALE, they are trying to do and see what will happen. I mean, if I were to be like an NPP member who has a position, like if we come on power, like
I
what that
understand. It's
I
okay.
will have do to them.
I understand. All right, Junior.
And look at.
It's okay. Your time is up. You know something? Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
I'm coming. Kindly to their work abroad and a 24-hour economy. I'm trying to send the money to my guy. So I will let someone start talking about the 24-hour economy. 4 minutes, then I'll come in. Then our other who gets to speak about it. So let me start on the top. Dr. Perfect. Upeso overtake here now. But your Auntie Tina and first. And Auntie Tina, are you ready?
Baby.
Oh, okay, all right, no problem. Then let me start with. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
maybe
Okay. The
all
voice.
right.
The voice. Yeah.
Yes, perfect. Let me hear you.
So sad. Now